Do you know the biggest reason your English sounds normal even though you are actually smart and capable? क्योंकि आप वही बेसिक लाइंस बोलते हैं जो हर कोई बोलता है. But high impact communicators, they use powerful substitutes. ऐसे सेंटेंस जो सुनते ही लगता है, oh, this person knows how to speak. आज मैं आपको देने वाली हूँ 10 न्यू हिंदी टू इंग्लिश पावर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस, each with 6 advanced alternatives. अगर आप अपनी इंग्लिश को लेवल नेक्स्ट पर ले जाना चाहते हैं, watch a free masterclass on Triple E system. Link is in the description. And yes, please like, share this video and subscribe our channel ताकि आप ऐसी perfect lessons मिस ना करें. Speak these sentences aloud क्योंकि इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग में repetition builds real confidence. So let's jump straight in. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सेंटेंस नंबर 1 है, वो मेरी बातों में दिलचस्पी दिखाता है. इंग्लिश सब्स्टिट्यूट इसी सेंटेंस का होगा, he shows genuine interest in what I say. और इसी के 6 पावरफुल अल्टरनेटिव्स हैं. 1. He listens with real curiosity. 2. He values my perspective. 3. He leans in when I speak literally and mentally. 4th is he engages deeply with my thoughts. 5th one is he pays attention like it truly matters. And the last one, he is genuinely invested in the conversation. ये sentences professionalism और emotional intelligence दोनों दिखाते हैं. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, मेरा बस चलता तो सब ठीक कर देता. इंग्लिश सब्स्टिट्यूट, if it were up to me, I would fix everything. चलिए 6 powerful sentences पे चलते हैं. 1. If I had the reins, I would set things right. 2. Given the choice, I would straighten it all out. 3. If I were in charge, this would look very different. 4. I would resolve the mess if the decision were mine. 5th sentence is, I would put everything back on track if I had control. The last one, if it depended on me, we would have clarity by now. ये लाइंस लीडरशिप माइंडसेट दिखाती है विदाउट साउंडिंग एरोगेंट. प्रोफेशनल कन्वर्सेशंस में बहुत काम आती है. लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. मैं अपने काम पर टिके रहना चाहता हूँ. इंग्लिश सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस इज, आई वांट टू स्टे कमिटेड टू माय वर्क. और इसी के 6 पावरफुल अल्टरनेटिव्स हैं. 1. I want to remain anchored to my responsibilities. 2. I prefer staying focused on what truly matters. 3. I want to stay loyal to my professional priorities. 4th, I aim to remain dedicated to my goals. 5th one is, I prefer sticking to my core responsibilities. And the last sentence, I want to stay fully aligned with my work commitments. ये lines discipline plus maturity दोनों reflect करते हैं. Workplace में ये आपको grounded और serious दिखाते हैं. Let's go to the next one. तुम हमेशा बातों को घुमा फिरा कर कहते हो. English substitute is, you always beat around the bush. इसी के 6 पावरफुल अल्टरनेटिव सेंटेंसेस हो सकते हैं. You never get to the point directly. 2. You circle the topic without saying it clearly. 3rd sentence is, you dodge the main point every time. 4th is, you wrap things in unnecessary words. 5th sentence is, you avoid being straightforward. And the last sentence is, you take the longest route to say the simplest things. Communication clarity का सबसे बड़ा टेस्ट डायरेक्ट बोलना. This set helps you call it out politely but formally. Let's go to the next sentence. मुझे उससे बहुत उम्मीदें हैं. English substitute of this sentence is, I have high expectations from him. इसी के 6 powerful alternatives हैं. 1. I trust him to rise to the occasion. 2. I believe he'll deliver beyond the basic. 3. I'm counting on him to perform well. 4th sentence is, I expect strong results from his end. 5th sentence is, I believe he's capable of more. And the last one, I'm relying on you to step up. ये lines leadership conversations में perfect है. एक्सपेक्टेशंस कम्युनिकेट करना है बट रिस्पेक्टफुली. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंसेस, वो दूसरों पर जल्दी भरोसा नहीं करती. इसी का इंग्लिश सब्स्टिट्यूट सेंटेंस है, शी डजंट ट्रस्ट पीपल इजीली. 6 पावरफुल अल्टरनेटिव सेंटेंसेस हैं. नंबर 1, शी इज कॉशियस अबाउट whom she trusts. Number 2, she takes her time before opening up. Number 3, she doesn't give her trust away freely. Fourth is she trusts selectively and thoughtfully. Fifth sentence is she builds trust slowly but steadily. And the last sentence, she's careful about letting people in. ये lines emotional boundaries को sophisticated तरीके से बताते हैं. Let's come to the next sentence. मैं किसी विवाद में पड़ना नहीं चाहता. English sentence is I don't want to get into any conflict. 6 powerful alternatives. I would rather avoid unnecessary friction. 2. I prefer steering clear of disputes. 3. I don't want to escalate anything. Fourth sentence is I want to keep things conflict free. Fifth one is I'm not looking to stir up issues. And the last sentence is I would rather maintain peace than argue. So, workplace diplomacy की ये core lines है, calm और professional दोनों ही. Let's come to the next sentence. तुम बात को समझने में देर लगा देते हो. English sentence of this is you take time to catch the point. Let's have 6 alternative sentences for the same. 1. You take a little longer to grasp the idea. 2. You need a moment to process things. 3. You understand once you reflect on it. Fourth sentence is you get the point but at your own pace. Fifth sentence is it takes time for things to click with you. And the last one, you understand eventually and that's fine. ये lines किसी को politely बताने के लिए है without hurting their confidence. Let's come to next sentence. ये बात तुम्हें पहले ही बता देनी चाहिए थी. English of this sentence is you should have told me this earlier. And 6 powerful alternatives are 1. This should have come to my attention sooner. 2. I wish you had brought this up earlier. 3. It would have helped if you had informed me sooner. Fourth sentence is this was something I needed to know beforehand. Fifth sentence is early notice would have made a big difference. And the last sentence, you should have flagged this earlier. ये lines frustration भी express करती हैं और professionalism भी maintain करती हैं. Here we come to the next sentence. मैं इस मौके को बिल्कुल हाथ से नहीं जाने दूंगा. English of this sentence is I won't let this opportunity slip away. And 6 powerful alternatives are 1. I'm grabbing this opportunity with both hands. 2. I'm not missing this chance of anything. Third sentence is, I intend to make the best of this moment. Fourth sentence is, I'm fully ready to seize this opportunity. Fifth one is, this is mine and I'm taking it. And the last sentence is, I'm not letting this slip through my fingers. ये lines ambition और drive दिखाती हैं. Perfect for growth-oriented professionals. Now, these 10 transformations add depth, clarity and class to your English. ये lines सिर्फ English better नहीं बनाती, आपकी personality को भी upgrade करती हैं. Speak them aloud, use them daily and your communication will change within weeks. अगर आप अपनी English को level next पर ले जाना चाहते हैं, watch a free masterclass on Triple E System. The link is in the description. हाँ, don't forget to like and share the video. And yes, please subscribe our channel so that आप एक भी power pack lesson miss न करें.